Hi everyone, welcome to the collaboration hosted by Pirate Pretties here on YouTube. And every month, it used to be a birthstone color challenge, but now it's a double color jewelry collab challenge. And for the month of January, we had the colors of red and pink, and we could use silver or rose gold. I used silver. The project type is a purse or a book bag charm, and the fun elements is charms or dangles. So I made three exactly the same because I was thinking I'd use them, give them to my granddaughters and my daughter, however they wanted to use them. So these are what they look like, and the stars of them are these. Now, it didn't say white, but these word things had white, so I had to use them. They're from Target, actually, I think. Mondo Llama word beads, and you know what? They only have 3 love words in it, so yay! I'm glad I got 3. And then I have had these check glass beads in my stash since like 2012 or 13. They're from EE Beads, which is out of company now, and I had 2 bags of each. These larger red, and then this bag actually was a mix of these clear pinkish. They're a real pale pink heart. And so I used all the pink ones that were in this little bag, which was what, 2, 3, 6, 9 of them. And then to bring in a little more pink, I brought in these Ado Toho seed beads called Ceylon Innocent Pink. And I don't know where I got them. I don't have it written on here. So yeah. And then I was really digging in my stash, guys. I had this little container of these different rose beads, and I found these that are almost perfectly round, but they're like roses. So I have 2 more of those, and I used them on all 3. The other one, the third one, I had made this for hashtag Be Creative for hashtag Be Creative Love for January on the 13th. And that's on my Deb Houck's Crafty Cottage channel if you missed it. But I thought I'd just hook this one onto this little booklet because 2 people that watched my video suggested I give this little booklet to my granddaughter because I didn't know what to do with it after I made it. It's adorable, but you know. So one of them I just hooked right onto the ribbon for the little booklet, and so these are useful for a planner or any kind of notebook that has some kind of ring on it. I might have to make, I mean, it worked to hook onto ribbon, but if like a purse charm, a lot of the rings are bigger, but I was using up, these were in my stash from these lobster claws, and the jump rings actually at the very top they've been in my stash for, I don't know, a long time. I forgot I had them. And same thing with these little made with love charms. This is really far away, isn't it? Yeah. So we have love. That's sort of an orangey red. These little bicones, they're from like 2018 or so. Bargain bead box. No, bargain bead box. And I just did simple dangles on most of them. One of them I did a wire wrap on top of this. The first one I did, I think it's the one I have on here. I didn't like that. And also these red seed beads, which are from Shipwreck Beads, I'm pretty sure, I used in here because the beads on the holes on these, first of all, they're not centered. They're at the top, so they hang like this. But it kind of spins around, and that's okay, but I didn't want it like wobbling this way too. Look, that's a pretty pink. Anyway, I could have used another word on, but I filled it, the eye pin, with seed 11O seed beads, and then I put the 2 bicones on either end, and that stabilized it a little bit. And then this is one part of the dangle. It just has a little heart, 2 pink seed beads, the red rose, and a red bicone. This one has a little pink seed bead and the big red heart, and then a little pink seed bead and the little red heart again. And this one also has a little pink heart dangling off the red there. So that's all I did. I just made 3 pretty simple little dangles for the challenge this month. and used red and pink mostly, but the words, sorry, the words have white. And I'm in Valentine heart making mode now. We'll be coming back soon also with Potomac beads in a day or two. The new treasure kit that I unboxed, and also bargain bead box after that. All right, take care, have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Hugs, love, and peace.